Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna unbox my first ever Stoney Clover haul. I am so excited. But first, if you're new here, my name is Lauren and I am a mom. I like to vlog about mom things and all of our travel adventures we do, like go to Walt Disney World. And I'd love for you to stick around and subscribe. Give this channel a thumbs up if you like the content, and let's get right into this because I am so excited. So here it is. If you hear my toddler screaming in the background, she is playing and watching Little Baby Mom in the other room. So I bought this last week. I was watching other vloggers and I have to admit I was having major FOMO that I went a little overboard and I had to get all of these things. So all right, let's get to this unboxing. Okay, at first glance, how cute is this packaging? I mean, I would think with the amount of money that you're spending that they should properly package these goods. So they have this little card inside with your invoice, your packing slip, this little postcard, Stoney Clover Lane, and this just fell out. Little looks like a suitcase sticker, very cute. All right, these are the two patches I ordered. I had like a million in my cart and I ended up narrowing it down to these two because I'm like, this is my first purchase. Let me just see what I'm exactly like getting before I make this a permanent thing. So we have the Disney Princess Sleeping Beauty crown. It's so cute. I have to figure out what I'm going to do with these patches. And then this is the other one. This is the Disney Mickey Mouse Glitter Varsity Flamingo. Very cute. So yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out. I feel like there's gonna be another purchase in my horizon, but this was a big undertaking, this first one. So definitely going to need to I'm thinking about getting a fanny pack in the future with them. All right, so we have the Stoney Clover Disney Princess Small Pouch in Fairest One of All. So for this one, I actually got these in two sizes. I also got it in the large, which I was not expecting for the large to be this large, but I think this is gonna be great. Definitely for upcoming Disney trips, any trips, or just in the baby's diaper bag. You could take these, I was thinking about, like if we take like a road trip and we need stuff to keep snacks in or makeup. I mean, this is like massive. I was not prepared for the size of this thing. Okay, at first glance, zipper is very good quality. Really, really happy about that. And then this is in the inside. Very cute, and they actually give wash care instructions, which is so helpful, so I'm gonna have to look at those later. Basically it says to clean your bag, gently wipe with a damp cloth using cold water, use a mild detergent if necessary, store your bag away from the sunlight when not in use, avoid oil and grease from cosmetics, perfumes, hand sanitizers, and other abrasive products as they can create permanent stains and wear to your bag. All right, so I'm gonna have to think carefully about when putting makeup in these things. But yeah, this, I kind of, I don't measure it. I just thought, okay, I will get like a small and a large one. And I like them as a set, so maybe I could use for Lucia also. But wow, this is like mega. I love it. So going back to the smaller version, this is kind of what I thought was going to be the large size. So I'm actually really impressed. Yeah, so this is slightly smaller. This is like basically a little bit larger than the size of a normal makeup bag. But yeah, so cute. I've always loved Snow White. Our first daughter, Scarlett, we had her first birthday theme was Snow White. So I definitely had to get this. And then this was the last thing. It's a small haul, but it was expensive. We have the Disney Princess Large Pouch, Awakened by a Kiss. So it has Princess Aurora with the little fairy godmothers. So cute. So cute. So yeah, definitely I have 2 large pouches now. I'm so excited. I can't wait to use these, and hopefully you will stick around for some future vlogs where I'm hoping we could do a pack with me and get some use out of this. I'm very excited. You know, I think they'll be great. Really versatile for the stroller, for vacation, road trips, snacks, diaper bag, in my purse, going to work. Like there's a million different ways that, you know, I think we could get utilization out of these. So I'm very excited. Now, if you like my content, I'd love for you to give me a thumbs up, stick around if you like more mom vlogs, travel vlogs, all the things. All right, so thanks for watching and see you real soon.